So, good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our grammar class. So, hope all of you have completed the exercises that I have given in the last class. Is it completed? Yes, okay. Now, let us learn next chapter, lesson 4, Nouns Case. Nouns Case, page number 14. So, all of you take your grammar text, lesson 4, Noun Case, page number 14. Okay, so what is a noun case? Last year also, I think you have studied the noun cases, isn't it? So I'll tell you the definition. The case of a noun tells us about the position of that noun in a sentence. So that is what is called the case of a noun. Case of a noun tells us about the position or place of a noun in a sentence. So in sentences we can see but more than one noun, isn't it? So there are particular places for those nouns. The case tells us about the position of that noun in a sentence. Okay, so based on the position of these nouns, there are three kinds of cases. There are three kinds of cases according to the position of that noun in a sentence. First one is nominative case, objective case, and possessive case. So, what is a noun case? The case of a noun tells us about the position of that noun in a sentence. And how many kinds of cases we have? Three kinds of cases. What are they? Nominative case, objective case, and possessive case. So, I'll explain one by one based on an example. Okay, an example given in your textbook. So look at here. Neha sang a song. So look at this sentence. Neha sang a song. So in this sentence, we can see many words, isn't it? Neha sang, then song, etc. So can you tell me how many nouns are here in this sentence? Yes, two nouns, Neha and song. There are two nouns in the sentence, Neha and song. So the first noun, Neha, is placed at the beginning of the sentence. And the second noun is placed at the end of the sentence. That means, so the noun Neha is placed in the subject position and song is placed in the object position. So, the nouns that are placed in the subject position is called subjective case or nominative case. Otherwise, it is called nominative case. So, what is a nominative case? A noun that is placed in the subject position before verb. Subject position is called subjective case. And look at the next noun, song. A noun that is placed in the object position is called objective case, otherwise called accusative case. Objective case or accusative, both same. Accusative case. Neha sang a song. So here Neha is the subject. Neha is the who sang a song. Answer Neha. So Neha is the subject of the sentence and it is in the subject position and that is why it is called subjective case or nominative case. Then what did Neha sing? Neha sang a song. So song is in the object position. So song is the object of that sentence. It is placed after the verb. subject is placed before the verb. Here what is the verb? Sang is the verb, isn't it? So Neha is placed before the verb and song is placed after the verb. Okay, so that is the difference. So one is in the subject position and the other one is in the object position. Subjective case and objective case. Is it clear? What is subjective case? A noun that is placed in the subject position is called subjective case. Then what is objective case? A noun that is placed in the position of object is called objective case or accusative case. Okay, one more example I'll show you. Krish scored a century. So here in this sentence also we can see two nouns, Krish and century, and the verb is scored. Okay, Krish is placed at the beginning of the sentence and before the verb. So who scored a century? Krish scored a century. So Krish is the subject of that sentence. So that is in the subjective case or nominative case. And century. What did Krish score? A century. So century is the object of the sentence. So that is an objective case or accusative case. Okay. Then, so there are three kinds of cases: subjective case or nominative case, objective case or accusative case. Then objective case, one more thing is mentioned here. Look at here, the dog is in the kennel. So look at the sentence. So here there is no object here. The dog is in the kennel. But kennel is in the accusative case because it is governed by the preposition in. So whenever a noun is governed by a preposition in, any preposition, it is also in accusative or objective case. Actually, kennel is not the object of that sentence. So, when a noun is governed by a preposition, what it is called accusative case or objective case. Okay, that also keep in your mind. Sometimes there may be two objects in a sentence, direct object and indirect object, that you have studied in the last year. Direct object is accusative objective case, and indirect object always governed by what the is object of a preposition. Okay. Indirect object is the an indirect object is the object of a preposition. Here it is the object, the kennel is the object of the preposition in. Okay. Then nouns have some same form for the nominative case and the accusative case. The nominative generally comes before the verb, that I have already told you. Nominative in nominative cases, noun always comes before the verb, and in objective case, accusative case, nouns comes after the verb. Okay. എപ്പോഴും നോമിനേറ്റീവ് കേസിൽ വേർബിന് മുന്നേ ആയിരിക്കും സബ്ജക്റ്റ് വരുന്നത്. ബട്ട് അക്യൂസേറ്റീവ് കേസിലാണെങ്കിൽ വേർബ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടായിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. Then one more case is discussed here, possessive case. So we have studied nominative case, accusative case and possessive case. So this is Rita's house. So here we can see an apostrophe. This is apostrophe. The apostrophe shows ownership or possession of an object. Ownership or possession of an object. Ownership means belongings. ഉടമസ്ഥാവകാശം. നമുക്ക് ഉള്ള എന്തിനെങ്കിലും കുറിച്ച് പറയാനാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അപ്പോസ്ട്രഫി യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോസ്ട്രഫി ഷോസ് ഓണർഷിപ്പ് ഓർ പൊസഷൻ ഓഫ് ആൻ ഓബ്ജെക്റ്റ്. Okay, then the noun rithas, the noun rithas therefore said to be in the possessive. Rithas means here the Rita's house. This is Rita's house of Rita. This house belongs to Rita, and this apostrophe indicates possession or ownership. Okay, clear? Then I'll show you another example. This is Rita's house. Look at this sentence. Rita, this noun Rita has an apostrophe here. That means it shows possession. It is in possessive case. Rita, apostrophe shows ownership or possession. Possessive case. So a noun having what apostrophe s shows that is in possessive case. Apostrophe ഉള്ള noun കണ്ടാലേ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കാം what that is in possessive case, because apostrophe shows ownership or possession, belonging. Okay, that means the house is belonging to Rita. The house belongs to Rita. Okay, so there are three kinds of cases. What are they? Nominative cases, accusative cases, and possessive cases. Nominative case means when a noun comes in the position of a subject. That is called nominative case. When a noun comes in the position of an object, it is called accusative case. Then what is possessive case? Possessive case shows ownership or possession. That is when a noun comes with an apostrophe, and this apostrophe shows ownership. It is otherwise called of construction. So this Rita's means the house of Rita. It shows ownership or possession. So these are the three kinds of cases. Okay, let us do some exercises given in your textbook. Okay, listen carefully. Read these sentences. Write whether the highlighted nouns are in accusative or possessive cases. So we have to tell whether the highlighted nouns are in accusative or possessive cases. Highlighted, can't see here. Okay, the first question, Amina bought oranges. So the highlighted noun here is oranges. So it is very easy. We all know when a noun is placed at the end of a sentence, not at the end of a sentence, and also in the position of an object. What did Amina buy? Answer is orange. So that is the object of that sentence. So it is in accusative case. Okay, the answer is accusative case. Then look at the second one. The school is closed on Sunday. So here the highlighted word is Sunday. The school is closed on Sunday. Not Sunday. Highlighted word is school. Okay, school is the highlighted word. Okay, so we all know it is in the subject position. So nominative case. Okay, mother bought a pretty frock for Sarah. So here the highlighted word is Sarah. So accusative case. Okay, then the children's books are lying on the table. The children's, so a noun with apostrophe shows possessive case. Okay, the birds will soon migrate. The birds in the first position, subject position. So nominative case. You must follow the rules of the game. Rules of the game. Rules of the game here is nominative. Rule subject there. Okay, rules of the game. So rules is in nominative case. Then Ria and Bina handed over their notebooks to the monitor. So here the highlighted word is monitor. So monitor is the object, and so accusative case. The girls' laughter echoed in the house. Girls means having an apostrophe here. So Girls is in possessive case. Okay. Then next is underline the nouns in these sentences and identify the cases. The lilies are beautiful. Lilies, what nominative case. Underline the nouns in these sentences and identify the cases. Okay, the first one is lilies. Lilies, accusative case. No, lilies so in the subject position. So nominative case, and these berries are ripe and tasty, so they are also nominative case. Monisha is talking to her friends. So here in this sentence we can see two nouns, isn't it? One is nominative case and the other one is in the accusative case. Father gave the poor man some money. So here, father, nominative case, man and money, both accusative case. Both accusative case. Father, nominative case. Grandfather's spectacles are missing. Grandfather's apostrophe. So possessive case. The passengers were becoming impatient at the delay. So passengers, nominative case, delay, accusative case. The book's cover, books apostrophe. So possessive case. The spectators cheered on the players. Spectators subject and players object. So this is accusative case and this is nominative case. So do all these exercises in your textbook, and I have attached the answer key along with this video, so you can use that answer key for writing all the answers. Okay, now there are certain rules to form possessive cases. Certain rules. How do we form the possessive case of nouns? Isn't it? Read these groups of words and understand how we form the possessive case. So, rule 1. Singular nouns form their possessive case by adding s. Singular nouns. If we get singular nouns and we want to form the possessive case of this, just simply add apostrophe and yes. I'll show you some examples. No, Kusum's book. Look it here. Kusum. Kusum is a singular noun. So what we have to do is to form possessive cases. Just add apostrophe s. Kusums. Then uncle. Similarly, uncle. Uncle, write uncle and put an apostrophe and s there. Then it will become possessive case. Okay, thus rule number 1. Singular nouns form their possessive case by adding s, apostrophe and s. Okay. Then next rule, singular nouns ending in s form their possessives by adding just apostrophe or apostrophe s if it does not sound awkward. Suppose I'll give you some examples. So singular nouns ending in s form. Yes. So suppose what is Shreyas, Shreyas. So Shreyas is a singular noun, but it ends with the letter S. So sometimes we add just apostrophe to make it possessive case. We don't have to add apostrophe s because it sounds awkward. Shreyas. So like that it will become. So if singular nouns ending in s form their possessive by adding just apostrophe. Just add apostrophe only. Okay. Like Williams. Look at this name. Williams. So here this is a singular noun and it ends with the sound s. So like here we just add apostrophe. No need to write apostrophe s again. Like James. Look at here. James, James. Here also ends with the sound S. So words like this we simply add one apostrophe only. Okay, apostrophe only. No need to write S again. So that is one rule. Then plural nouns that ending in S form their possessive by adding just apostrophe. So the uh, girls performance, the performance given by the girls. The girls means girls. Already S is there. This is a plural noun, so just add apostrophe only. Okay, then cats, cats, here also just add apostrophe only. Then another rule, plural nouns that do not end in S form their possessive by adding S. Okay, that is, look at this word, men, men. This is a plural noun. We want to form the possessive case of this word. Then we can add apostrophe and S because there is no S sound here. So we can add apostrophe S. Then children, children. This is also plural form. Here also we can add apostrophe S because there is no S sound here. Like that, woman, women, woman also apostrophe S we can add. അവിടെയൊന്നും എസ്സിലല്ല എൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. എസ്സിൽ എൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സിംഗുലർ ആൻഡ് പ്ലൂറൽ നൗൺസിൻ്റെ പൊസസീവ് ഫോം നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ വെറുതെ ഒരു അപ്പോസ്ട്രഫി മാത്രം ഇട്ടാൽ മതി. വി ഡോണ്ട് ഹാവ് ടു ആഡ് അപ്പോസ്ട്രഫി എസ്. മനസ്സിലായോ? അതായത് എസ് സൗണ്ടിൽ എൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സിംഗുലർ ആയാലും പ്ലൂറൽ ആയാലും നൗൺ ഫോംസിൻ്റെ പൊസസീവ് ഫോം ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് വാട്ട് സിംപ്ലി ആഡ് വൺ അപ്പോസ്ട്രഫി ഓൺലി. സമയം എസ്സിലല്ല എൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എങ്കിൽ പ്ലൂറൽ വേർഡ്സ് എസ്സിലല്ല എങ്കിൽ വി ക്യാൻ വോട്ട് ആഡ് അപ്പോസ്ട്രഫി എസ് ദെയർ. ഓക്കെ. Then the plural nouns that do not end in S form their possessive by adding S that we already told. So remember, we do not use the apostrophe for non-living things. Non-living things we don't have to add apostrophe here. We do not say the table surface. Okay, the table surface is not right. We say the surface of the table. Okay. So then again some examples are given here. We have to answer all these. So I have an old textbook, that is why all the answers are written here, last year's book. Okay, the parent rewrite these sentences using the possessive case of the nouns highlighted. I'll read one or two. Okay, you have to complete it using the answer key. The parents were happy at the success of their daughter. So highlighted words, it is difficult to see here in this. The daughter is the highlighted word. Daughter is the, so the parents were happy at the success of their daughter. Answer, the parents were happy at their daughter's success. Success of the what of their daughter's daughter's success. Okay, the children appreciated the tricks of the magician. So the highlighted word here is magician. The children appreciated the magician's trick. The trick of the magician magician's trick ആക്കുമ്പോൾ possessive case ആയി. Then the tail of the monkey was long and straight. So the highlighted word is monkey. So the monkey's tail was long and straight. Then Tia was searching for the bag belonging to her mother. Belonging to her mother means mother's bag. Tia was searching for her mother's bag. Then the patience of the doctors was unbelievable. The patience of the doctor the doctor's patience. The school changed the uniform of the students. The school changed the students' uniform. The uniform of the students students' uniform. Okay. So like that you write all these exercises, then rewrite these sentences correctly. One has been done for you. The chair's arm is broken. ഇത് തിരിച്ചെഴുതണം. The chair's arm മാറ്റി the arm of the chair is broken. Then the horses stables were accidentally burned down. Horses stables മാറ്റിയിട്ട് the stables of the horses were accidentally burned down. The baby's mother was missing. The mother of the baby was missing. So the dog's bark chased the thief away. The bark of the dog chased the thief away. The house roof was damaged in the storm. The roof of the house was damaged in the, so like that write the complete all these sentences. Okay, then write the possessive form of the following, putting the apostrophe in the correct place. One has been done for you. The dance of the little girls. The little girls dance. Put correct apostrophe, correct place, in the correct place. The complaint of the customers. The customers complain, customers ends with the letter S. That is why apostrophe at the end only. അപ്പോസ്ട്രഫി മാത്രം ഇട്ടാൽ മതി, കാരണം എസ്സിലാണ് അത് അവസാനിക്കുന്നത്. ദ ഗ്രൗൾ ഓഫ് ദ ടൈഗർ. ടൈഗർ, ദ ടൈഗേഴ്സ് ഗ്രൗൾ. ഓക്കെ, ദ സിംപ്ലിസിറ്റി ഓഫ് ദ വില്ലേജേഴ്സ്. വില്ലേജേഴ്സ് ഓൾറെഡി പ്ലൂറൽ ഫോം, സോ just add apostrophe only. Then the condition of the patient. The patient's apostrophe S. Patient's condition. The argument of the lawyers. Lawyers already S ends with the letter S, so put an apostrophe there. The intelligence of Karishma. Karishma's intelligence. Then the smiles of the actresses. Actresses already S ends with S, so just put an apostrophe there. It will become possessive case. Okay, so do all these complete all these exercises in your textbook, page number 16, 17 and 15 it is given, and I have attached this answer key, and make use of this answer key for completing all the exercises. So that's all for today. Thank you.